We are in the heartland of Three Birds territory in Brisbane, where over 50 Reno schoolers have been doing their houses, like this one behind me. That's Courtney's house, and just across the road is Reno schooler Prue Groves' home. It's a farmhouse cottage. It's gorgeous. She's expecting us. Let's go. Hi, Prue.
Hello.
Half a door. I was not expecting that. What is the go?
Yes, I had to have this door. I always knew I wanted a farmhouse door, and it makes me be able to see out onto the street, decide if I want to let you in or not.
Oh, it is true farmhouse. Come on, let me in, let's go. Look at that, that is so gorgeous. Wow, and so practically, why is it good? You can just keep things locked and see out.
Yeah, I mean, we used to have a really high fence and nobody from the street could see in or out, but with 3 young children we needed safety first.
Oh, so you can close
so we can keep this one closed.
Kids are safe.
That's right.
But you can still be waving to the Reno schoolers over there across the road.
And it also lets an amazing breeze in through the house.
Mudroom?
Yes.
I know an urban mudroom when I see one.
Yeah, and this is something everybody suggested you have a mudroom hidden, but I really wanted it on show.
I've got an on-show one.
Yeah.
Mine's on show.
Everybody in the family has their own shoe drawer. Everybody has their own locker where you can put your
That is so nice how it's so seamless. I mean, come on. You knew we were coming. I don't believe this. I'm sorry, I know you chose this door. I'm going to choose a different one.
Oh dear.
Let's look at the reality. Oh, this is more like it.
That's my son's.
The Milo cat, the mouth guard. Look, here we go. We've got a mouth guard here. But this is perfect because you can just shove and shut. Shove and shut. And it looks like this, and you've got the hat racks as well.
We actually only used to live upstairs, and the house actually stopped before you step into the kitchen.
Got it. That was the end of the original
That was the end of the house.
And so this is now nice little seating area, TV.
This is an all storage container, so lots of storage the entire way around.
Hey, I love it. Talk to me about this pattern choice.
Everything in our house that we've styled the house with is all secondhand.
Look at this. It's
These are some old curtains that we found.
I love it. I can see the pattern that you've got, and it's definitely got this sort of charming feel. And tell me, this cladding, was this here or you added it?
No, yeah, all new.
All new. But that's the thing about this cladding, it looks like it's been here forever, right? Really adds that charm.
That's what we wanted for the charm, was VJ cladding on every wall.
All right, let's head to this amazing kitchen.
This is where we want everyone's eye to go to.
So that was the end of the original house, and so you created this as an extension?
Yeah, that's right. So we had this vision that not many other people could see.
That's okay, so long as you can see it. That's
right.
The most important starting point.
Yeah, and then our amazing builders, Rachel from Front Porch Properties, she came in and she said, I can see your vision, and she was so excited to work with us.
So a female builder?
That's right, it's an all-female team with a few male chippies. Everybody told us to knock the house down. I think that's where Reno School came in and really helped me, because I was going around for 3 years thinking, what do I do? But it didn't feel right to us to get rid of the house. Our 3 children have grown up here. It's very livable, and we wanted some charm. So I think the height differences has added in a bit of charm.
I think it's lovely because it definitely creates that moment where you sort of come through, and then this has a much greater impact.
Yes. All of our cabinetry was custom made.
I love this.
Built-in chopping boards.
Look at this.
Serving trays.
Oh my God, just get me to serve something somewhere. Just look at this. This is so not me.
An indulgence was definitely the pot filler.
And do you use that a lot?
We do.
You do?
It's amazing how much we use, actually. I agonised over the triangle.
Yes, the work triangle.
And I thought, oh, the fridge, it's actually about 6 metres from the fridge to the, sink. So this is a good little in-between.
That's an in-between. And I love how simply you've styled the bench.
Yeah, thank you. The salt and pepper shakers were actually a gift from our builders.
Oh, that's a sign that you've had a good relationship if they've gifted you something that lovely after the build. Oh, they're very nice.
They are, they're beautiful, aren't they?
Yes.
And flowers, I love having flowers in the kitchen, but With 3 young children, it's hard to keep them all alive, so these are not actually real.
Oh, you're right. They aren't real. These are from Rogue, aren't they?
Yeah, that's right.
We are loving the Rogue stuff at the moment, and I can spot those hydrangeas. That's
Yes.
a Rogue vase extravaganza.
That's right.
And with the fake water at the bottom.
That's right.
That's the key.
Makes it look real.
It does. And then they look perfect all the time. They never wilt. And then over here, I'm loving this timber detailing.
Yeah, that's definitely a showstopper. Everybody that comes in wants to touch that wood.
It's touchy, and I can see I could get a splinter if I'm not careful, and that's the point.
Yeah, we tossed up should we varnish it or not, but we decided we want to keep it raw.
Yeah.
And it will change colour over time.
Because your vision was farmhouse, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, well, I'm not an expert on farmhouse, but I can tell you I'm getting all those vibes. And then we flow to your alfresco, and I'm just noticing all these chairs are different.
Yeah, that's right. So again, these are ones that we've picked up over the years. They were all different colours. My mum and I painted those. And this beautiful table was made for us when I was little. That was our family table. It's hard to work with a square table.
Yeah.
But that was the brief, that we were going to have this square table outside.
You know what, you're starting to make me feel like I should have done a lot more in my home that had sentimental value. Like, I just really admire your choices, and I think it creates such a lovely feeling.
Yeah.
And I love your bifold doors.
Yes, thank you. We do love these bifold doors. They go the whole way along. I'm very short, so our builders kindly made some little attachments so I can easily lock them.
Oh, you see, that is a good builder who does that.
Lots of little extra
look, I couldn't reach that either. I don't think it's that you're short. I think it's that those doors are beautiful and grand. What have we got here?
So we've got our beautiful little bathroom that services us very well.
Yeah, and like your guests. This is sort of the powder room. Oh, this is so cute. The scalloped vanity. Oh, and that's a huge shower.
Yeah, double shower.
Oh, laundry.
Yes. We do love the laundry. My husband says it's his favourite place in the house.
Does he? And he means that.
He loves it.
Oh, great. So he helps, he does laundry?
Oh, he's fantastic.
Oh,
yeah,
great. My
it's
husband
a great
does it
partnership.
too, actually. Yeah, yeah. My husband's in the laundry more than I am.
This was something I must have, was a built-in ironing board.
Oh, look at that.
So just easy. And
that is so easy.
That's right. And I keep the ironing pile underneath here, so it's ready to go.
Oh, look at that. That is so cool. What, swivel? Did it go that way?
Yeah, that's right.
And push in?
Yeah. And close up.
Oh my gosh, look at that. And where's the iron?
Well, we've got a secret power point in there, so we just put the iron and attach it up in there. Another little, I guess, homage to my nana. Yeah. She used to always have the skirt at her house, so
that is so
this
cute.
is where our washing basket lives.
Now, what is behind these glorious barn doors? Can I open?
Yes.
God, they run smooth.
They do, don't they?
Oh
so
my
this
gosh.
is our great storage wall. It's very handy. The kids can just pull out a basket, play with that basket, and then pop it back in again.
Honestly, you are like very well organised, and these run beautifully.
Yeah, I really wanted a barn door somewhere in the house, but we didn't have the space to do a conventional.
A barn bifold.
Yeah, that's right.
Seen here first. This could be the first house ever with a barn bifold. So what used to be up on this level?
So this was basically where we lived. This was our dining room, and we had our very small living area. And here, this wall finished about here.
Yeah.
And this was our kitchen.
So this is now all bedrooms?
This is all bedrooms. So this was the additional bedroom that we wanted to add.
Is this another Rogue?
This is one of my favourites.
This is really lovely.
This is our littlest son's room. This was where the kitchen was. The original windows were there. That's where the sink used to be, underneath the windows.
Of course, that's so traditional. Sink here.
And
looking out to the yard.
This was the original pantry. So that was it. That was our entire pantry. But we've been able to just keep it, and we just painted it and changed the handles. So we didn't actually change anything structurally upstairs except for the kitchen, but we needed to do a revamp of the bathroom because the toilet used to be right here. So first thing you saw from the hallway.
Yeah.
So we
No,
know
that's a no-no.
That's a no-no. And the shower was where the toilet was, so we just switched both of those
It
out.
makes sense, right? God, that's a gorgeous shower head.
It is.
Those are some serious towel rails.
They are. They're
love
beautiful.
it. Actually, that's giving
They're
me
actually
some inspo.
curtain rails.
Are they?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, you know what? My kids, we've only got like one towel rail and they fight over it and they don't hang the towels out nice. You're inspiring me to go home and in my kids' bathroom, do something like that.
Yeah. All right, let's go through to the main bedroom.
Oh, gorgeous. So much natural light.
Yes, a lot of natural light and a lot of breeze comes through again. I guess very different to most main bedrooms. We chose not to have an ensuite. The ensuite, we would have had to take up some of the balcony and we decided we wanted that for the front facade.
Yeah.
And we don't have a walk-in wardrobe either, but we have plenty of hanging space and it's just what we need.
And I even love that you've got, you know, a traditional sort of mirrored sliding wardrobe.
We do.
That absolutely works in this room. It makes it feel huge and bright and light. And I mean, it's lovely to come out onto this balcony.
Yeah.
Look, and good old Courtney, the other Reno schooler. Now, she's the one who inspired you or put you onto Reno school, right?
Yeah, that's
How did
right.
that happen?
Yeah, so Courtney and her family moved in and they had started their renovation journey and she'd done Three Birds Reno School and I had no idea what I was going to do with the house. And she said, you need to do Reno School. So here I am, 5 years later.
And you know, I'm just looking here. This is one of the favourite things, my favourite things I love about, oh, here we go. Can I pull that off? Yeah. Is this green. I love the colour and I love the definition and the cladding.
So that was the original cladding. Originally, we thought we would weatherboard it like the rest of our house, but over the time as the build was coming together, we decided, again with the builders, that we would keep it as the original cladding. And the green, that was my love, which I had a lot of pushback from a lot of people. Everyone was very nervous about the green.
Saying like you can't have a greenhouse.
Yeah, at the time we were doing it, everybody was going white.
Well, well done. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And that's where you have to stick to your guns and no one can know what you really want better than you. And I'm sure people would be afraid of being so bold.
Yeah, and it was going to be a big costly mistake if we didn't like it.
Yeah, well, it's one of the first things I saw about your home from photos that I loved. I was like, we've got to go see that greenhouse.
I think it's coming into fashion.
Oh, it is. You're ahead of your time.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous. Thank you so much for having me, Prue, in your gorgeous home. Honestly, I feel that I need to get home immediately and bring some sentimental charm to my home because you are like the Martha Stewart of Three Birds. I absolutely love it. You should be so proud of yourself.
Thank you, and thank you for everything Three Birds has done for us.
Oh, well, it's our pleasure.
It's lovely to have you in our space.
Yeah, it's just gorgeous.